Hi dear developers and the rapid coder friends. In this video we're gonna write a very simple image recognition program using JavaScript to learn the basics of the artificial intelligence. At the first step we should create a blank HTML file for using the JavaScript. I had created it with the name of image recognition. And just open it with the notepad and create a simple HTML file. In this example, we want to use the TensorFlow libraries, the JavaScript libraries, to use the image recognition, and we should call them with these codes. And then they write the body elements, the elements that appear for the user. Let's name it the UI, user interface. An input element for getting the image from the user. An image element for showing the user inputted image at the user interface. And define a button to trigger the prediction. And the P or paragraph element to display the result. Now we're gonna define a model to using the MobileNet scripts to recognize the image. Now we must write a function to load the user inputted image and display it to user. This line is for freeing up the memory after the using of. The style of the display of image was the none at the top, and after loading the image we change it to the block for displaying to the user. Now function to predict the user loaded image. All done. Our AI-based image predictor is ready to use. Subscribe us to see the results.